Hey friend.
Are you ready?
3,
2,
1. Please subscribe.
Football. Football.
Soccer, also known as football, has been played for centuries. The modern soccer ball with its iconic round shape and panels was standardized in the 19th century.
Basketball. Basketball.
Basketball is a relatively young sport, invented in 1891 by Dr. James Naismith. He created it to keep his students active indoors during the winter.
Baseball. Baseball.
Baseball has a long history in the United States. The modern baseball we know today, with a standardized size and weight, was established in the 19th century.
Tennis ball. Tennis ball.
Tennis has origins in 12th century France. It transformed over the centuries. The modern lawn tennis we know today became popular in the 19th century.
Golf ball. Golf ball.
Golf has ancient roots, believed to have originated in 15th century Scotland. It evolved from various stick and ball games. The first standardized 18-hole golf course was established in the mid-1700s.
Cricket ball. Cricket ball.
Cricket is an ancient game with roots dating back to the 16th century. It evolved from a simpler bat and ball game played in England. Over time, the rules were formalized, and the game spread globally.
Table tennis ball. Table tennis ball.
Table tennis, or ping pong, originated in England in the late 19th century as a parlor game. It gained popularity worldwide and became an Olympic sport in 1988.
Volleyball. Volleyball.
Volleyball was invented in 1895 by William G. Morgan in the United States. It was initially called mintonette and was created as a less strenuous alternative to basketball.
Bowling ball. Bowling ball.
Bowling is one of the oldest sports, with evidence suggesting that variations of the game were played in ancient civilizations. In ancient Egypt, around 5,000 years ago, objects shaped like pins and balls were found in burial tombs.
Hockey ball. Hockey ball.
Field hockey has ancient origins and was played in various forms across different cultures. The modern field hockey with a standardized ball and rules developed in the 19th century. Ice hockey originated in Canada in the 19th century.
Beach ball. Beach ball.
The beach ball, as we know it today, has a relatively modern origin. It was invented in California in 1938 by Jonathan DeLonge.
Bocce ball. Bocce ball.
The roots of bocce ball can be traced back to ancient times, with origins believed to be in ancient Egypt. It later spread to the Roman Empire, where soldiers played a game similar to bocce during their leisure time.